Tri-County Unique Bazaar. We're getting this one. Former Westinghouse modded by Schindler. Buttons over here. Lovely Schindler. What are you laughing at? There's more stuff down here. 2 is locked. M works. Yeah, I'm pretty sure 2 staff. Wow, it levels quick. What the? Almost certain I did not look at what down. Probably get back off upstairs. Cab itself, not original from what it was. These are former Westinghouse. Moving out of the way. Acme floor indicator. That's something to go into the DT rate. Mad fixtures. Protocheck's kept mostly original. There goes. Not sure if I'll be able to get the other one, but we'll see if it comes down here. Might be. I know it's the service, so I don't know. You know, actually, I might have to send you off. Send you up to M. Oh, if I get you to do that Schindler trick, I'll do that on the other one. Does it still come down here, or do they only have one turn on for passengers? I'm taking that they only have one turn on for passengers. Escalators are original, I gotta find them. Yeah, that one's the service, so. Yeah, that one's turned off for passengers. T310, that's it. Got on the service. B. How would you even get this though? Oh, the rear side.
Floor B.
Oh, someone called it. Okay. Oh shoot. You gotta go up to 1. 2?
1.
I'm going to 1. Where are you going?
1.
Oh yeah, 1? Okay. 1R.
How you doing, sweetie?
Good.
How's your day?
Very good. I've nothing to complain about.
It's fresh, it's nice.
Floor
Well, you
1.
can complain. And we're here.
Okay.
That's something.
You guys go.